You said this will be ready by when?
This will be ready by tomorrow morning.
What do you mean tomorrow morning?
It's just windows and doors that are remaining. By
What?
tomorrow morning, everything will be done.
But what about the stones?
The stones will be carried right now. You see, there is a truck here.
But the truck is carrying the sand.
They are just delivering the sand for our neighbor. This will be ready by tomorrow morning.
Hi.
Pay now. Pay now.
I pay now.
Tomorrow morning, everything will be ready. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. Pay now.